Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be unboxing the medium mystery box from Not Polish. If you haven't got to check out my small unboxing, go ahead and do that. I will leave that in the cards or in the description box. So let's go ahead and get started with the medium box. This one is pretty big and it is kind of heavy, so let's just see what we have. Alright, so off the bat, I do see that I have some more of the Louis Vuitton stickers, and then I have another one of these acrylic cutters. I did receive both of those in the small box. I do have some more of these stickers, the Supreme stickers. I see a box of the long coffin tips, the non-C-curve straight tips, which, like I said in my last video, I definitely love these tips. We got a neutralizer, and I am so happy about that because I use this neutralizer religiously, okay? Every single time I do nails, I use it in my monomer. So I'm gonna go ahead and package that back up because I just recently opened up a new one. So that way I know that this one is my most recent new one. All right, I see a gel liner. And it is in the metallic color eggplant. I do not have any of their, ooh, this is so pretty. I do not have any of the metallic liners, so, and I'm loving that one, and it's my favorite color, purple. We got a brush. This says a control brush. I don't think I've ever seen this one. Okay, it's got a little, I can use this maybe to apply gel polish. And then, okay, so it's basically like a poly gel brush. All right, I got a pack of forms. You guys, I already have a pack of these forms, so this will definitely be going into a giveaway. If you are a nail tech or a beginner nail tech, aspiring nail tech, and you are interested in winning anything on my giveaways, please be mindful that I will need an address to ship your products to you. There has been a few of my giveaway winners that do not provide me with that information, which is just fine. I mean, at the end of the day, if you're not comfortable, that's your choice. But if you are interested in winning a giveaway, just be mindful of that. So please enter, you know, whenever that may happen. It's probably going to be on my next video, you guys. I need to get all my products together along with my last giveaways, you know, products, because I wasn't able to get the address to ship out that, you know, those products. But yeah, let's finish this unboxing, and just wanted to mention that to you guys. I do giveaways, and I love to give away stuff. It's not a scam. I will be announcing them on my channel, and then most likely communicating through Instagram. So here are some more Mylars. I actually see some glitters also. So I think I got this orange one in the last one, the purple in the last one. I think I do have that green one. I don't think I have the blue one. These are some pretty pink chunky glitters, and then we have some gorgeous yellow chunky glitters also. Probably be throwing some of these Mylars into a giveaway as well. All right, I got the silver star again. I got neon orange, which I don't think I have this one. We'll probably be giving this one away. And then I have a clear, which I'm gonna keep because you can never have enough clear acrylic. And I'll go ahead and swatch that middle color for you guys. And then I'm pretty sure this last box is gel polish. So let's go ahead and see what we got in here. Let's see, we got OG 102, which is Nude Panther. OG 159, I'm not sure. This one looks like it's just a white. Oh, maybe it's a really light blue. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you along with the Nude Panther. I'm probably gonna throw the Nude Panther into a giveaway. We have Role Play. I love the acrylic for this color. See, we got a Duo 160. I'm loving the nudes in here, you guys. We got a Duo 107. And then we have the Duo 106, my big Lush. So let me go ahead and clean off my nail desk, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with the swatches. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the swatches, and I'm gonna start with the acrylic, and this one is the Neon Orange, and it's G03, and it is a glow acrylic. If any of you notice separation in the not polished acrylics, I want to say that that is normal because they do use clear acrylic to mix their colors. So sometimes when you put that bead down, sometimes it'll separate like that, but all that you need to do is just kind of move that product around and work the color through that clear just so that it blends. Especially when it comes to these more pigmented colors, you'll definitely see it a lot more than some of your other non-super pigmented colors. But it's really just kind of way that the acrylic works. And it'll eventually have a smooth color. You just really have to learn how to use this product correctly. So here is that swatch. And let's go ahead and start with our gel polish swatches. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and do the second coat for all of these swatches. I'm not going to do that on camera just so that I don't make this video too long, but I will show you in just 1 second. Alright guys, it may be kind of hard to see everything, but I do have everything out here. I have the polishes, the forms, my neutralizer, the acrylics, the stickers, my metallic liner. I have my brush, the tips, and then the glitters, and then here are all of these swatches. This one is the acrylic, the orange. If you want to see the swatch for the Silver Star, it is in my small my small unboxing. I will say the only color that I'm not too happy with my gel polish is this middle one right here. It's just very chunky, and I mean, even putting a top coat over it, it is just not very smooth, so I don't honestly know when I would use that. The regular polish was a little smoother, but so maybe I would use that one. But overall, I'm happy with my medium box. I'm happy with my small box. I will be doing giveaways, you guys, so please make sure that you have your post notifications turned on so that way you get notified whenever I upload. I have tons and tons of stuff that I need to kind of get rid of now that I've moved into my new space, and I just have less and less room for all of my items. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.